Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Introduction to Public Speaking. Lecture 1. Understanding Public Speaking. Public speaking is the act of delivering a speech or presentation to a live audience. It is a form of communication that involves sharing ideas, information, or opinions with others. Effective public speaking requires clear and concise language, good delivery skills, and engaging content. Tips for successful public speaking. Know your audience and tailor your message to their interests and needs. Practice your delivery and timing to ensure a smooth and confident presentation that use visual aids, stories, and examples to make your message more memorable and impactful. In conclusion, understanding public speaking is essential for anyone who wishes to communicate effectively and confidently in various settings. It involves recognizing the importance of effective communication skills, such as clarity, organization, and engagement. By understanding the principles and techniques of public speaking, individuals can overcome their fears, enhance their confidence, and deliver their message with impact. Public speaking skills enable individuals to connect with their audience, convey their ideas persuasively, and leave a lasting impression. Importance of public speaking skills. Public speaking is a crucial communication skill that is essential in various areas of life. Mastering public speaking skills enables individuals to express their ideas, thoughts, and opinions effectively. Public speaking enhances an individual's confidence and self-esteem. In conclusion, public speaking skills are of utmost importance. In today's world, whether it's in personal, professional, or academic settings, effective communication is crucial for success. Public speaking skills allow individuals to articulate their ideas confidently, engage with diverse audiences, and convey their message with clarity and impact. These skills empower individuals to influence others, build strong relationships, and create positive change. Furthermore, public speaking skills boost self-confidence, enhance critical thinking abilities, and foster personal growth. Overall, investing in the development of public speaking skills can open doors to countless opportunities and contribute to both personal and professional success. Overcoming fear and anxiety. Fear and anxiety are common emotions experienced by individuals while speaking in public. Practice and preparation are key strategies to overcome fear and anxiety while speaking in public. Seeking support from family, friends, or professionals can also help in overcoming fear and anxiety. In conclusion, overcoming fear and anxiety is a transformative journey that can significantly improve one's quality of life. It is natural to experience fear and anxiety in various aspects of life, but allowing these emotions to hold us back can limit our potential and prevent us from pursuing our goals. By confronting our fears and actively working to overcome them, we can develop resilience, courage, and a sense of empowerment. Overcoming fear and anxiety requires patience, self-compassion, and consistent effort, but the rewards are invaluable. It enables us to embrace new opportunities, explore our full potential, and experience personal growth. Benefits of effective public speaking. Effective public speaking improves an individual's professional and personal life. It enhances an individual's ability to persuade and influence others. Effective public speaking is essential in career advancement. In conclusion, the benefits of effective public speaking are wide-ranging and impactful. Developing strong public speaking skills allows individuals to confidently express their ideas, engage and connect with their audience, and deliver their message with clarity and persuasion. Effective public speaking enhances career prospects, as it is a highly valued skill in professional settings. enabling individuals to convey their expertise and leadership abilities. Additionally, public speaking skills promote self-confidence, enhance critical thinking, and improve overall communication abilities. By mastering the art of public speaking, individuals can inspire, motivate, and influence others, ultimately contributing to personal growth, professional success, and the ability to make a positive impact on the world. Elements of successful public speaking. Clarity and conciseness in communication are essential elements of successful public speaking. The use of appropriate body language and gestures enhances the effectiveness of public speaking. The ability to connect with the audience emotionally is a crucial element of successful public speaking. In conclusion, successful public speaking relies on a combination of key elements. These include thorough preparation and organization, clear and concise messaging, confident and engaging delivery, effective use of body language and vocal tone, and the ability to connect with and captivate the audience. Incorporating these elements into public speaking efforts enhances speakers' credibility, ensures the message is effectively communicated, and leaves a lasting impact on the listeners. By mastering these elements, individuals can become successful public speakers who inspire, inform, and influence their audience, ultimately achieving their communication goals and making a meaningful impact.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.